Today, I'm reviewing the NORTIV 8 men's ankle high waterproof hiking boots, which I received for free in exchange for an honest and unbiased review. Now, I got the brown pair, but these boots are available in 14 different colors. So there is a style for everyone. Now, these boots are incredible versatile. While they're designed for hiking and like outdoor ventures in mind, they can also handle a variety of activities like outings or everyday walking. They are built for comfort, durability, and practicality. And one of the first things that I noticed is how comfortable these boots are. I just had to try them on. The removable shock absorbent cushion insoles provide excellent support for your feet, making them ideal for all day wear. And the lightweight and flexible EVA midsoles are another big plus. They reduce foot fatigue while delivering superior cushioning, and they have a springy energy return with every single step. Now, the boots also excel in traction and durability. The rubber soles are fully slip proof, giving you a firm and stable grip on wet, muddy, or uneven terrains. And this makes them perfect for tackling challenging hiking trails without worrying about slipping or falling. So, whether you are hiking, camping, hunting, or just walking around town, these boots are built to handle it all. They're rugged enough for mountains and trekking, but versatile enough for everyday activities like cycling or running errands. Overall, the Nortiv 8 men's ankle high waterproof hiking boots deliver on their promise of quality and performance. They're comfortable, durable, and versatile, making them a great choice for anyone who loves spending time outdoors or just simply need a reliable pair of boots for daily use. Highly, highly